The history of Jyoti Bhavan. Dear friends, for any specialization we have training like doctors, nurses or police people or policemen or engineers. Similarly, in the church, to be a leader as priest and religious, we have training, and this training lasts for a long period. To be a priest, we have to study philosophy and theology, which is in the later stage. But in the earlier stage, when we study colleges, or even before that, we call it minor seminary. So we can divide our formation in two stages: minor seminary and major seminary. And Jyoti Bhavan is a house of study in view of formation, which started in Sambalpur town in the year 1968 in the month of June. Once this area became a diocese, Sambalpur diocese, that is from 1951, and later on, though students joined congregations or the diocese, but there was no united effort as formation. So together with the bishop, then Bishop Westermann Herman SBD, Bishop of Sambalpur, and the provincial of the SBDs in Jharsuguda, they started this house called Jyoti Bhavan to give a basic or the initial training of the priests while they are studying colleges. And Father Paul Ethekard SBD was the first director of this house, and there were 8 students after the matriculation, and 2 brothers started to stay together as a community. But the primary aim of this house is to give a basic formation or basic training, so that they are gradually sort of introduced to the spirituality of the future priests, and they are being trained for the future leaders. Now, this house was begun in a rented house in Aithapalli, and much later on a plot of land in Koraitoli. Later on, that is in 75, work started in 74, but 75, a section of the present Jyoti Bhavan was completed, and on 1st of May 1975, the new bishop then, Bishop Raphael Chinath, he blessed a section of Jyoti Bhavan so that the students could stay there and study in GM College for their class 2 level studies. Now, this house is given the name Jyoti Bhavan, that is house of light, meaning those who go through this training from this house, they are like a light. So that's why the name Jyoti Bhavan is given. And every year on Diwali, feast of Deepavali, the house celebrates, keeping the tradition of the SBDs. We call it the family feast, and this is a great event every year for the house. Now, this house has given training to many students, and since it is a voluntary institution, many study and some are promoted, some are not promoted, and some willingly also discontinue. But this house has a primary object to train the students for the future of the church, and it has trained many students from that time onwards. Actually, in 2018, this institution completed 50 years, and there was a plan to celebrate Golden Jubilee, but because of some reasons it could not be done in that year. And in 2020, in January 9 and 10, the feast as Golden Jubilee celebration was celebrated, and all the ex-alumni students were invited for this celebration, and many turned up I think around 100 students, those who have gone through this institution, they were here and they participated in the celebration. And the house has a name in the town because the students as well as the formators, those who are directors or rectors or prefects, they are well known in the town, and that way the students get a fairly good training for their studies in the college as well as how to interact with the people outside. So today I am very happy that this institution, where I myself belong to the first batch and I have studied in the institution, but we stayed in a rented house, and this house is doing a marvelous job. I would like to add also one more thing, that when the diocese was divided in 1979, that is Rourkela separated, so in 1990 the Rourkela diocese had a separate minor seminary at Beldi in Rourkela diocese. Then in 1996 the Swedish, they had their own minor seminary in Lungai. So that is the development. Then henceforth this Jyotivan invites students for the diocese of Sambalpur only. So that is the development, it has happened, but the main object or main purpose of this house is to train the future leaders in the initial stage, to make them gradually ready for that goal which they have in their mind. So thank you very much for paying attention to my presentation. Thank you.